Welcome to my viewers. In this video, I am going to explain how to refill CANON 303, FX9, 703 and FX10. These are all the same cartridges for the different kinds of machines. Different types of machine. CANON 303, FX9, 703 and FX10. CANON 303, FX9, 703, FX10. All are the one and the same cartridge for the different type of printers. Different type of CANON printers. So how to refill, I am going to explain in this video. For this, I have taken one 703 cartridge. There are two types of cartridges nowadays available. One cartridge will be like this. There won't be any screw. There won't be any screw. One cartridge will be like this. This will have screw. This will have screw. So how to open both I will explain. First we will take the without screw. Without screw. So for this we need one star screwdriver, one small minus and little bit big minus, one quality laser powder and one wet cloth. Wet cloth is very important because the wet cloth only will help you to avoid the powder spread around your area. So it will absorb the powder, it won't disperse the powder around our area. So better use wet cloth rather than dry cloth. Okay. Take this minus screwdriver, bring this side, put inside and just little bit give pressure. Yeah, this knob will come out. This knob will come out. See, give some pressure, bring out the steel knob. After taking out, maintain it carefully. Then remove the cartridge, clean the cartridge. Remove and clean the cartridge using the wet cloth. Keep it carefully. Right? Then this is the one main instrument. This a small metal rod with the edge will get bent like this, like small curve and sharp edges. This will be available in online, or otherwise you can take one cycle forks and bend like this and make sharp. Using this only we are going to take out the cork pin. So using this I am going to remove this charge roller. Yeah, I have removed the charge roller. Then clean this charge roller. Using wet cloth. Keep it. Then take this device. Go and see. There will be a metal small pin inside. So just give pressure, it will come out. This is that pin. Keep it carefully. Then come to this side, give pressure. If it is a original cartridge, you have to give more pressure. And meanwhile, I forgot to say, use one nose plier. Using this, take out, right? Then there will be a spring. It will automatically jump. Better you maintain this. If it gets jumped, collect and keep carefully. Then separate these two parts. This is powder unit. This is drum unit. Right? Drum unit you will have a one drum protector. It will have one spring. You remove that spring and maintain carefully. Remove this drum protector. Take this drum protector and clean this. Clean all the area. So maintain here. Then take the star screwdriver. There will be 2 screws. This is a blade called wiper blade. It will only wipe the unwanted powder and stop the powder to spread or over the paper. Okay. If a printout is having shaded printout, means that is shaded with powder, means the wiper blade is fault. So you have to replace the wiper blade. Then I am going to keep the cartridge like this, bend like this, and bring back and remove the waste powder. Remove the waste powder. Do it slowly. The powder is harm, so better do it slowly. Then hold the waste powder and dispose in safer place. Right? Always keep one paper in base. So this is the waste powder unit, or otherwise drum unit. Waste powder. This waste powder is storing here only. Okay. Then take the blade and keep again. See, this is dust. Don't clean this. Please don't clean this. If you clean, it won't allow the drum to rotate cleanly. Rotate smoothly. If there is a powder, then only which will allow the drum to rotate smoothly. If there is no powder, which is clean, means it will struck. The powder only will give the smoothness. Right? Keep the blade. I said, if there is a shaded printout, means you have to replace the wiper blade. Right? So tight the screws. The both screw tight simultaneously. Don't screw tight one screw one side, another. Don't come for another side. Simultaneously you tight the screw. If any one of the screw is not getting tight, just to remove the screw, buy one Fevikwik, put one drop, then you place the screw and tight. Both screw get tight, then only it will capable to clean the powder. This is very important. Then take the charge roller, which is already cleaned. Okay, place it here. Yeah, it will make a click sound. Then take the drum. Yeah, the gear section should be always your left hand side. So keep here. Already we have taken metal piece. Keep the metal piece, metal knob inside, and it has to fix correctly. If projected little bit, it will struck in the printer. So it has to go exactly. This black and metal grease has to get fixed. It should not get project. If the metal piece get project, it will get stuck in the printer while try to insert the cartridge into printer, right? Then take the drum protector, place here. Yeah, put the drum protector and take the spring and place the spring. Now you try this, which will be like this. This only which is protecting the drum from dust and everything, right? then keep safe, right? Then I said another cartridge is there, you know. So for this, there is a two screws. Just you have to remove the screw. That's all. But remaining procedure and all as what we have seen the previous cartridge. That's all. Previous cartridge, right? So I am keeping back because of to explain this. Because if you have like a cartridge, you do not worry this. You need not to worry this. You have to just unscrew the two screws and open the top cover. Then remove the drum and remove the charge roller. Then as usual, right? Okay. Use always wet cloth. Wet cloth only will help you to protect from unwanted powder. Right? Okay. Then take this powder unit. This is the powder unit. The powder unit is having one blade, one magnetic roller. This is called doctor blade. This is called a doctor blade. This is magnetic roller. This is magnetic roller. This is doctor blade. If the doctor blade is not good, the powder will bulge. The powder will get bulge here and here. So this has to rotate like this. This has to rotate smoothly like this. The surface should be like this. Should not, if you move your finger, the powder is getting assembling here more means your wiper blade is not good condition. So the cartridge should be in smooth. This shows this doctor blade is in good condition. So I am going to open this using this star screwdriver. Okay. Right? Yeah. Keep it made carefully. Then there will be a closure. Just to open the closure. Right? So now you will get a way. Take the powder. Buy a quality powder. That is very important. Buy a quality powder. That is very important. If you buy a quality powder, that only will give the good result. Then after that, shake well the powder. Okay? Shake well the powder. Then only it will go smoothly into your cartridge. Okay? Then pour the powder into the cartridge smoothly. Pour the powder smoothly. Yeah. Maximum it will consume 140 gram, but you put only 120 gram because internal mechanism has to get rotated. Internal mechanism has to get rotated, so that you have to put limited powder, that is 120 gram or 100 gram or 80 gram enough. Don't put 140 gram, which won't get rotated, which will make trouble. Okay, so close this, right? Then take this cover, close this cover, and put the screw. That's all. Okay. Now your cartridge is ready. Your powder unit is ready. Clean this powder unit using wet cloth. Wet cloth only will help you to maintain your area very neat and protect yourself. Right? Okay. Take this cartridge. Take this drum unit, powder unit, then fix here. Right? There are two springs available. That two spring is very important. One spring here, one spring here. The two springs are very important. Then bring like this. Take this instrument, make like this. Take the metal notch and place inside and turn this side. Okay. Take this instrument, make like this and take this and place inside. That's all. Okay. Then two nuts we have kept it. Then there is a spring. So take this spring, see here, take this spring keep here, lock here, and take your finger like this. Press the finger, or otherwise it will get jump. Press the finger. Take this instrument. Using this instrument, elongate the spring and get locked into this bottom. It will join the two assembly. The spring will join the two assembly, drum assembly as well as powder assembly, right? And give some tight to touch the magnetic roller with the drum. Drum and magnetic roller will come together and make a impression on paper. Make a impression on paper. If there is no spring, you won't get any printout. You won't get any printout. You won't get any letter. That is very important. But one condition is there. If two springs are good, sometimes the result will come. But generally, better place these two screws, these two springs, as well as this spring also. Very important. This spring also very, very important, right? Okay, this is the way to refill the CANON 303 FX9 703 FX10 cartridge. This is the way to, right? Okay, so what are all the problems will come in cartridge? Okay, after refilling, if you keep the cartridge inside your printer, while take the printout, your paper is getting shaded with a full of powder, means change the wiper blade, right? Once if you insert the cartridge, lots of powder get deposited into the printer, means change the doctor blade. Lots of powder deposited in the printer base, means change the doctor blade, right? If letters are not coming, means change the magnetic roller. If letters is not very quality, which is light, means change the drum. Change the drum. The letters is very light, means change the drum. If the output is having shade, means change the wiper blade. If the powder is getting deposit bottom of the printer, means change the doctor blade. If no letters are getting, which is accepting paper, white paper is coming, means magnetic roller issue. Magnetic roller issue. These are all the things you have to see. These are all the things you have to see. See, this is very important tool. This tool is available in online market. You can buy from online, or otherwise, if you want immediately, take one wooden parts and take one cycle forks, bend like this, sharp this area, insert into the wooden, then make yourself, prepare yourself a tool like this. Prepare yourself a tool like this. Okay, this is very important. Okay, so this tool and a star screwdriver, one minor screwdriver, one nose plier are very, very important. This is the way to refill the CANON 303 FX9 703 FX10 cartridge and place into your cartridge. Enjoy the printout. So please follow my steps and instruction and carefully do the refilling and enjoy with economically. Enjoy with economically, right? Okay, if you like my video, please like, subscribe my channel, because every day I am releasing new video regarding printer service, laptop service and desktop service, which may helpful to you, your friends or your family friends or your neighbors or your relatives. Okay, so please subscribe my channel, share to your friends, and if you have any new idea, please specify in comment. That comment may help me to release new video to help for you sort out your new problems. Thanking you. We'll see in the new video with a new solution and problem. Have a nice day.